you're an SME, a farmer, or a spark who lives out of a pickup, 2025 has tried to mug you at the tax office. HMRC looked at your double cab and said, "Nice car, mate." And your wallet said, "Well, words we can't repeat before the watershed." Enter this, the Isuzu D-Max V-Cross Commercial. It's the posh V-Cross you like, but with a twist. The back seats have gone to a nice farm upstate. The cabin is permanently converted into a secure load zone, and the paperwork says proper commercial vehicle. Translation: VAT reclaimable, van style allowance, and a business first identity. What about the price? $41,995 on the road, and you get a lightweight canopy, tow bar with electrics, bed liner, tints, and seat covers thrown in. In other words, it turns up fully kitted for work. Not a spend Saturday hunting accessories special. First deliveries, November 2025. Underneath, it's still the D-Max you know. 1 ton payload, 3.5 ton towing, 4x4 with rough terrain mode, and a locking rear diff. The useful stuff when your week involves rutted gateways, wet fields, and a client who insists their new patio is only accessible via a goat track. Warranty: 5 years or 125,000 miles. Inside, it's nice. Leather trim, heated seats, dual zone climate, wireless 9-inch infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 7-inch driver display. Also, intelligent adaptive cruise and traffic jam assist for those M62 purgatory moments. This is the point where your apprentice says, "Oh, it's nicer than my mum's Qashqai," and you nod silently. Now, cards on the table, I think modular design is the future. And this thing is modular in spirit. The canopy, purpose-built conversion turns a lifestyle double cab into a tool. Do most van and pickup owners want electric yet? From the trades I know, not yet. Price, payload, towing, infrastructures, those are still the pub chat killers. But it is coming. Isuzu's D-Max EV is ramping in Europe, with right-hand drive UK penciled in for 2026, so the clock's ticking. This commercial feels like a bridge, familiar diesel muscle, modern cabin, and crucially, tax clarity in a post-April 2025 world. Now let's talk rivals. Ford's Ranger, the Hilux, the Amarok are all brilliant trucks, but many double cabs now get treated as cars when it comes to tax. Some dealers will sell you conversions. Some aftermarket canopies are excellent, but factory-backed, purpose-built commercial with a permanent cabin conversion is a very clean way to stay on the right side of the HMRC without playing mod and logbook gymnastics. So picture Monday. You tow a mini digger, haul cement boards, then a site visit in town. The canopy keeps tools out of sight, the tow pack is standard, the ride is civilised enough that you can take a client to lunch without apologising for your suspension. Then, when it rains, as it does, because, well, Britain, the rough terrain mode quietly makes you look like a hero on the churned up village. Now, the boring but brilliant bit, VAT. This is reclaimable for VAT registered business. £345 VED flat, £4,020 BIK. Plant and machinery 100% writing down. These are the levers that make accountants purr and monthly costs behave. If 2025 rules made double cabs financially awkward, this pushes the D-Max back into the works hard as the spreadsheet category. When it comes to the looks and the kit, it's still the V-Cross vibe. Darker styling, bi-LED headlights, parking sensors and reversing cam. 8-speaker audio, it'll scrub up for date night, and then be in a quarry by 7 AM the next morning. Colour palettes run from sensible greys to sienna orange, if you fancy the site manager's beacon aesthetic. So the big question, is it better than a van? If you live on muddy jobs, town heavy, and prefer ladder frame 4x4, diff-lock, smugness, yes. And versus a normal double cab, now hammered by BIK, this is purpose built for business. It's not the lifestyle truck for 5 mates in a mountain bike rack. That ship has sailed. It's a premium work tool, with the nice bits left in and the tax traps taken out. Now we all know electric is coming. Isuzu EV will test whether the trades are ready. For now, this V-Cross Commercial is a pragmatic answer to 2025's rulebook. Buy once, use daily, claim properly. If modular and EV is the future, this is modular thinking done by the factory, not on a Friday afternoon fit out. The D-Max V-Cross Commercial, the pickup that went to a small business seminar and came back with a briefcase full of talk and receipts.